Dr. Khalifu Salifu ono ye penny kwantrefo awoda Chaba Orthopedic Herbal Hospital ano openi wo fonton from Jumedie sunu waba be church say ye ka hepatitis yade a kwan ahodo ye nam so enya bi ne dose ye pa ebi ene enam nkita hodie no nti waba be church kwan ahodo bi e ka ho a ofa so obenya yade ni bi ene ne ye yenso a ye betumi aboye ho ban.
Hepa ye liver.
Okay.
Hepatitis inflammation, and I say swelling. You say see hepatitis, it means swollen liver.
Okay.
And I say obiani liver ahono. It's any hepatitis. Now obia liver to me hono. Depending on your lifestyle. Okay. Any nyama eko liver no. And you say oye akwala o, oye opinini o, oye abrewa, oye akokra o. It doesn't matter. Okay. Say nyama oye no, it me ma liver ahono dia, liver no best me ahono. Okay. Na se liver no so hono it means wanya hepatitis.
Okay. Appetition,
dry gin. No, sa nyama no. Ero dey say call liver no mo schnapps. E call liver no mo it be say liver no temtem. It be ma onya hepatitis. So enu ye alcoholic hepatitis. Ye wo autoimmune hepatitis. Dey bia me can say yare bia e fi any amama e dey yare bia ba. Na se yo bia uye bia odi eduane bia because one me wo de nti eduane bia de odi whether they are healthy for your body or and healthy for your body everyone say you consume it system na say moja no efi wo mu a moja no be feed cells with that sa efi no nti say feed cells with sa efi na the cells no omo nshare anya proper oxygen omo nshare anya proper nutrient to work cells no omo be sha say omo be working against the body. It means the immune system instead of the immune system to protect your body no but the immune system be sha say attack your body no nti yetimi de wo wo bi na say one treat wo na say wo ko wa akola na akola be be bi very very important so person treat hepatitis but so viral load go be bring person omo because of the boy identity. Okay, but there was something in here viral load no first and foremost I was say ye keep your own clean your environment no any yanka say was say very clean. Secondly, I was saying protect you're faithful to our partners. Apart from that, so you're faithful. So maybe you're faithful. Like she said, was saying me so, and I said me you're faithful. Apart from that, I was saying protect your home. And most of the time, they're very difficult. Before you've been rested 3-4 days, 1 week now, I won't forget it. And I was saying to me protect you, saying sexual intercourse. I was saying protect your home. And then I was saying boost your immune system. Also, yeah, we boost our immune system. No. By exercising, and I say, "Benum in Drubi to say, emulate supplement. I boost your immune system." And I say, "Yes, you exercise. You do fruits and vegetables. You need to be near. You be adult system.